Hello friends, welcome to Super Surprise Toys. Today we have a Batman Play-Doh egg with extra surprises inside and a mystery box. But before that we've got this little Batman figure with a grey and blue suit. He has a yellow belt and a blue cape. Now here we have another Batman, and this time he's got a black suit with a yellow belt. He's got a long black cape and a yellow logo of a bat on his chest. Okay, let's get started with this Play-Doh egg. We have a black and yellow Batman logo with a green background. So let's start by taking off the bat. Now we can go ahead and remove the rest of that logo. And now we're just left with the green background that's coming off now. Okay, so let's try and open up this egg to see what surprises we can find inside. So the first thing I found is a green egg, and let's open it up to see what's inside. Here we've got some slimy slime. Let's see what we've got inside. Let's try and find out. See if we can get it out. Here we go. It's a little Spider-Man. Slime back into the egg. And let's have a little look at the Spider-Man here. So he's got a red and blue suit. He's got a little black spider on his chest. Oh, we've got a mushroom ball. And we might find one of these characters. Let's open it up and find out what one it's going to be. We've got Hulk.
Oh no!
It's a super squishy and stretchy Hulk.
Ah! Ah!
Coming up next, we have a pink egg. And we've got some slime. Let's see who we're going to find inside this slime. I think I know who it is. It's Batman! Right, let's try and get him out of this slime. The slime back into the egg. So here we have a small little Batman figure with a black suit, and this time he has a silver belt and a silver logo on his chest. Now let's see what's inside this yellow egg. Now we've got some sticky slime. Who's hidden inside it? Oh, I think I can see. Yep, it's Superman! Oh, look at this slime, it's so squishy. So stretchy. Let's put it back inside the yellow egg and have a little look at the Superman figure. And here we have Superman with his blue and red superhero suit. He's got a logo of an S on his chest and a red cape. And now we have some different superheroes here. It's a Paw Patrol blind bag. Let's see what pup we're going to find inside. It's Chase. Okay, so let's get all the pieces out and try and put it together. So here we've got Chase's police cruiser. The wheels come off too, so that comes apart. We'll put it back together. Here we go. We've got Chase's head, so that's going to go onto the vehicle like this. And this is part of the vehicle that's going to go in front. Go. And we've got his cap. Let's try and get it on. It's a bit tricky. There we go. Done. Chase from the Paw Patrol. Here we've got an Avengers Mega Pops blind bag. Let's open it up and see what we can find inside. Oh, it's Iron Man, but it's blue. I've not seen a blue Iron Man before. And next out of the super surprise egg, we have a Spider-Man puzzle eraser, and we can get any of these characters. Let's see who we're going to find. So it looks like we've got Sandman, this one here. Let's get the bits out and put it together. It looks like Sandman is a bit angry. Here we go. And it looks like his hair can come off too. So we've got 3 bits to the puzzle. His body, his hair, and his head. There we go. And last up in the super surprise egg is Batman. So we've got a Funko Pop Batman figure. And there we go. So here we have a Funko Pop. It's a Batman figure dressed in his bat suit and he's launching his arrows. Look how cool it is. Look at all those little details on his suit, on his boots, on his mask and his cape. And last but not least, we're going to have a look at what's inside our super surprise mystery box. We've got purple question mark. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's the Joker!
Uh-oh.
The Joker is Batman's enemy. He's not going to be happy about this. Let's get him out of the box and have a proper look at him. Here we go. a proper look at him. Got a nice blue and purple suit with some orange details on it. Green hair, a purple and black hat, and he also has a little walking stick. Here we've got both the villain and the superhero. Who's gonna win this battle, guys?
Oh no!
And that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.